Hi everyone, welcome to Cloud Trip. This is the host Amitabh Das, and today in our video, we are going to explore a security feature provided by AWS, that is S3 bucket policy. So it is a security policy for our S3 bucket. What it does is that basically it protects your S3 bucket from getting exploited. So it gives you the granular control of your S3 bucket. So by using S3 bucket policy, you can basically define your own policy, your custom policy, to prevent your bucket from getting exposed or to meet your security requirements. So think of a scenario like you're having a bucket, it's a critical bucket, and you don't want the objects in the bucket to get deleted. So you want to prevent the users from intentionally or accidentally deleting the objects in the bucket. So we'll be implementing that feature only. So let's move on to the console to our S3 bucket. So you can see it's a bucket that I have created, and it is having several objects right here. So what can I do? I can go to the object and click on the object and click on action, and you can delete it, right? Click on delete and you can delete it. But that's what I want to prevent. So there is no protection. So what I want is that with the help of AWS bucket policy, I want to restrict the users from intentionally or by mistakenly deleting the objects in the bucket. So that's a very good security feature. So come to the permission tab, click on bucket policy. Bucket policy is basically a JSON object. So you can start typing over here if you know how to write the bucket policy, or you can take help of the policy generator. So we're into the policy generator page, and basically this page will help us to create your bucket policy according to the inputs that you'll be giving. So we'll be selecting S3 bucket, and as you have discussed, we are going to deny the deletion of any objects in the bucket. So we'll be clicking deny, and this principle will be affected to all the objects in the bucket. So we'll be giving star, and the AWS service is obviously S3, and the actions will be giving that we want to deny the S3 delete object. So we'll be searching for the delete object. Yeah, we found it. So check on that, and the ERN. So we have to give your ERN. So ERN is some sort of, you can say, the resource ID. So if you're familiar with Azure, you have known resource ID. So resource ID is ERN is something like that. So you'll be finding ERN over here. So you'll be copying that. And one thing you should remember after pasting, you want to implement this to all the objects in the bucket. So give backslash and start, so that it could be applied to all the objects in the bucket. Click on add statement. So your policy will be generated, and click on generate policy. So your policy is generated. Select all and copy all, and go to your bucket policy. Click on here and paste your bucket policy. And after pasting it, click on save. So your bucket policy is now being saved, and this bucket policy will now prevent any of the IAM users to prevent deleting the objects in the bucket. So now coming to overview. Now I'll be testing that. So select this image, click on actions, and click on delete. Click on delete. Look, the error comes because click on view details. So access is denied. So as you have said in the bucket policy, and so as we have discussed in the bucket policy, we'll be preventing all the users from the bucket to delete the objects. So this could be a compliance requirement, this could be your business requirement. So according to your requirement, security requirement of your company, or security requirement of your business, so you can select your own bucket policy, create your own bucket policy, and go to permissions tab, and the bucket policy you can give your own bucket policy. You can have multiple bucket policy attached to this, so you can modify it, and once you are familiar with this, you can start typing your own bucket policy. And yeah, so I hope you like this video. This was a very interesting demonstration, and I hope it will be useful for you in your business requirement, and also for you to help you so it will help your customers to solve their business needs. So yeah, thank you, and thanks for watching. Bye.